Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out a case from ArmadilloTek, and I just wanted to start off the video by saying that this case was sent out for review, but all opinions are my own. I wasn't paid, compensated, anything like that for this review, and they are not reviewing this video beforehand of me posting it. I got this from, like I said, ArmadilloTek, from Carl, who is the owner. Very good guy. He is on Twitter at HarmlessCarl, K-A-R-L. I will leave his links down in the description below. Very, very great guy. Nice to talk to. If you're looking for a case that is similar to an OtterBox, similar in protection, but don't want to pay OtterBox prices, and you want to support a small family business, check his cases out. He does make a couple of different ones, I believe, for the S20 and other devices like that. Mostly Samsung. I don't think he has any Apple stuff right now. But maybe some Apple Watch stuff coming up soon. From what I saw on his Twitter, but like I said, I will post those links down below so you guys can check that out. This is the Vangaurd series from ArmadilloTek. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I do have another case right here which I will be giving away to one of you guys, and I will let you guys know what to do to enter that in a second. And I will have some other case companies doing a giveaway here shortly from Poetic. You saw me review the Poetic series of cases for the Note 20. I have all three of these cases, second ones of these, to give away as well. That will be a separate video. But this is the Vangaurd series from ArmadilloTek. It says right here to separate the front casing, so we're going to go ahead and do that. There's a little notch right here to show you where to do it. So just like any two-piece case, OtterBox, that kind of stuff, you're just going to separate that right here. And it comes off like so. I have something on my hand. I don't know what I touched, but clean that off real quick. Right here, we'll put that on the front of the device first. Let's see, cover all your buttons there. Make sure it is firmly installed onto the phone. And there we go, we are on. Just get those edges clipped back in. Get that last corner up there. There we go. One more. Alright, we are all together. So very nice case. It feels good in the hand. It's got nice square edges, which makes it very, very grippy and easy to hold. Some notches right here, so it's got some texture to it. You've got your volume buttons, very easy to press, very tactile. Your power button right there. Big, nice cutout for the camera. It is recessed in there, so it protects that camera bump and those lenses. You do have a kickstand right here that slides out nicely, so you can stand your phone up. It will stand up like that, or you can prop it up like that for watching a movie or YouTube video, that kind of stuff. Goes back in, stays there, doesn't fall out. Back of the case is nice, no large branding or anything on that. We just have Vangaurd right here on the side in small letters, so it doesn't stand out very much, which is nice. We have a covered USB-C port right here, easy to open, very nice cutout. You can get most chargers in there. You've got your microphone cutout right here, speaker cutout, and then a very large S Pen cutout right here, so you can pull your S Pen out very nicely, and it is easy to stow away as well. That is the Vangaurd series from ArmadilloTek. I will leave the links down in the description to both Carl and this case, where you can pick one up. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Oh, and one more thing, the giveaway. So for the giveaway, what we're going to do is I want you to comment down below why you picked up a Note 20, what you like about it, and why you need a case. And I will pick a comment to receive this case. USA only. Shipping will be covered, and I will ship it out to you. I'll get your contact information. I'll probably ask for your email and email you, and then just delete that off the comments after I get that information from you. So do that down in the comment section below, and you can enter to win the Vangaurd series case. It will run for about I'll do 2 weeks after the posting of this video. So check the description for the end date, and that is when I will let you guys know. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.